Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a truly versatile addition for any car enthusiast or tech-savvy driver. The IK9 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Screen from IIWEY. This isn't just a car stereo, it's a full-fledged smart driving companion, complete with dash cams, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. The IK9 is designed to bring wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to practically any vehicle. That means whether you're an iPhone or Android user, you can instantly access navigation, calls, messages, and music, all without fumbling with cables. Imagine plugging in and having your phone's interface mirrored on a vibrant 9-inch touchscreen. With support for AirPlay and Miracast for even more flexible mirroring options. The screen itself offers a resolution of 1024 by 600, giving a clear and vivid display that's easy to read in any lighting condition. Voice control is a big focus here. Using Siri or Google Assistant, you can handle calls, get directions, or control media without ever taking your hands off the wheel. It's a level of convenience that adds both safety and ease, especially during long drives or in heavy traffic. What sets this device apart is the dual dash cam system. The IK9 comes with a built-in 4K front dash cam, with a manually adjustable lens for perfect alignment no matter your vehicle. It also includes a 1080p rear camera that activates automatically when reversing, complete with customizable parking guidelines to make backing up safer and more precise. With a 64GB SD card included and Wi-Fi video transfer support. All your driving footage is stored and easily accessible right from the device or your phone. Audio features are robust as well. You can enjoy music or calls through Bluetooth, aux input, or even the FM transmitter. The built-in HD microphone ensures that phone calls are crisp and clear. While the stereo capabilities bring powerful audio to your car without needing additional equipment. In terms of installation, the IK9 is designed to be portable and plug-and-play, making it easy to move between vehicles or set up without complex wiring. This makes it perfect not just for personal use, but for anyone who rents cars or frequently switches vehicles. All in all, the IK9 is more than just a car stereo. It's a smart device that transforms your vehicle into a connected, multimedia hub. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, hands-free control, 4K and 1080p dash cams. And flexible audio options all come together in one sleek, portable 9-inch touchscreen package. For drivers looking to upgrade their in-car experience without replacing the entire head unit. The IK9 offers an impressive balance of convenience, functionality, and safety. If you're looking for a way to modernize your car, keep your drives safer, and enjoy the latest tech features, the IK9 is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets.